Hi there, this is Eric Meeks, and I want to show you a house in a neighborhood I don't always go into. It's not that far from Palm Springs, but this is up in Yucca Valley, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,461 square feet, and it's priced at only $310,000. And I really find it a good deal, and I like the home. So even though I've got a client here right now who has given it some serious thought on this one, I want to show you, those of you out there who follow along with me on YouTube, one of the really nice deals just a little bit away from the city of Palm Springs. A lot more desert landscaping. I mean real desert landscaping. Not everybody even plants grass around here, but it's just the look and the feel of Yucca Valley, okay? It's really kind of a cowboy town. As you can see, a 2-car garage, even has some extra room in there. It's got 18,000 square feet on it. And as we go inside here, okay, you've got just a little bit of an entryway here, and then you have a big room. So if you look at that kitchen, they went with a rustic look, how they did the molding at the top of the cabinets. Now this is not granite, this is some sort of formica or imitation or that there, but it's still very, very nice. And it fits with the motif of the home. I like the newer appliances they have in it. The fridge is huge. They went with one of the bigger Whirlpool models of fridges. And as you can look out here towards the living room, you've got plenty of room for a sitting area, for a dining room, high ceilings here in the house, as you can see. Open floor plan. The laundry room's a real laundry room. You got a little bit of room there if you want to put a table at the end. Definitely a nice washer and dryer going along with it. Bathroom, very similar. You got a big, hey there, nice to see you, okay? Or nice to be seen, bathtub and shower combo. This is the guest bathroom, as you can tell. Good sized bedroom too. That's probably at least 12 feet, probably about 11 feet. It might be 12 foot square, something like that. This bedroom is a mirror image of it. Okay, as you have here, another ceiling fan, and this here big closet, or a decent sized closet, 5 to 6 feet. Little closet space there. Over here, master bedroom. Closet here in the master bedroom. Deep. Could have been a little bit bigger in my mind there, but that's probably about 8 feet of closet on the inside with about 5 to 6 feet of doors there. And then the master bathroom here. That good looking guy keeps following us around. Okay, here you got toilet, and then you've got a walk-in shower at that end over there. In the backyard, the desert landscaping continues. You could do nothing to this backyard. In 5 or 10 years from now, it's probably gonna look just like this. This is not a sort of backyard that you have to do a lot of weeding or maintaining. I don't even think these plants have sprinklers going to them. It's just a very low maintenance backyard. And then it's got a huge air conditioning heater all in one unit on top of the roof. And as you can see over there, they have a satellite TV. You have that big driveway coming up, but if you had an RV or a boat or something like that, you've got this space over here on the side of the house with room to pull it through. And that's about it. Okay, I thought for about $300,000, this was a very nice home. So there you go. See you around the internet. This is Eric Meeks from Remax Desert Properties. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.